Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to register for an event. This is just test data. So let's scroll down to the event here and just select box on card. When you select box on card, you will just fill out the information here and then it will create a Boxer account for you and one for the coach. I'm just going to quickly fill in the information here. Okay, I quickly filled out the information here, so just put the first name, last name, all of that, and then, it pulls up the relevant brackets based on the number of bouts I entered in, gender, and age. And then here it shows the bracket I'm entering, and then I fill in my coach information. Now you can only add one boxer through this method, and I'll show you guys how to add another boxer once you're registered. So this is just for demonstration. So I'll hit next here. And whoop, looks like I'm using that email already. So we'll make it 3232. Okay. And then I will just quickly do this. Okay, of course, this is just an example, but I entered in some information here. I will register and boom, now it has added the boxer to the event and it has created an account for me as a coach and the boxer. Okay, next step, if I want to add another boxer, I just go back to the home page and I go back to the event itself. So it's this tournament sample and I select box on card. Notice it already shows Joe has been added to the event. But if I want to add another one, I select create new boxer here and I fill out the information here. So I'm just going to quickly do that. Okay, I went ahead and I filled out all the information here, and now that I have filled it out, I just go ahead and select done, and it will ask me, okay, now that you've created a boxer, do you want to add them to this event? So I can say yes, but if I say no, it's okay. So let's just say no for now, and it'll look like this. If I had said yes, it would have looked like this, and it would have just taken me to confirm their information. So this is the event registration after you've been logged in. And for now, I'll go ahead and confirm this. So Greg Foster, yup, that looks correct. That looks correct. And then you just select the bracket here. So if he's 156, I'll go with maybe novice because he's only got 5 bouts. Confirm that, and hit next. And next step is the payment. So I'll just enter that real quick. Oh, okay, now that I've entered the payment information, I'll just go ahead and select complete payment and register. And boom, that boxer has now been added. So if I want to add another boxer, once again, you hit compete on card, create new boxer, and go through that step. Another way to do it is to, okay, the other way to do it is to, from the home page, you just select team here, and you can go ahead as a coach. You can only do this as a coach. Coaches are the only ones who can add boxers to their team by creating and managing their accounts. If your boxer created their own account, they can request to be added to your team as a coach, or the coach can send a request to the boxer. Alternatively, the coach can just create the account for a boxer and manage them, him or herself. Okay, so I'm just going to select add boxer here and just select create new boxer profile, and it's basically going to be the same thing here. So you add all the information. Once you add all the information and you create it, you go back to the home page, and then you go to the event once again, and you select box on card, and then the boxer will appear here with the plus sign, and then you can just go ahead and add them, and it'll take them through the registration once again, just like we did here. Okay, thank you. Now, if you want to change the bracket of the boxer after they've been added for whatever reason, you just go to the home page, you select match approvals, and you select events signed up, and this is the tournament here, and you just select edit weight. And it'll pull this up, and then let's say you want to change them from 119. Maybe they're a bit heavier, so you want to put them in the 125. So you just select that and you hit save changes, and it should update. Now you can do this up until the draw of the tournament. So after the draw, you can no longer change brackets, obviously. Thank you.